Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this Motorola Rokr Z6M. This one is locked and has water damage and is in really poor shape. I couldn't get the S6 Edge to take a charge, so we won't have slow motion sadly. But yeah, let's go ahead and start drop testing. This one's in pretty decent shape, I would say, for the most part. Yeah, but never mind, it's pretty bad shape. Looks like the top of this is all broken and stuff, but the front glass isn't cracked yet, so let's go ahead and do a backdrop from head height in 3, 2, 1. Alright, looks like the headphone cover came off. Other than that, you can't really see where it hit. I guess maybe in this area. Not too bad. It looks like a top piece broke off right there. Alright, let's go ahead and do the corner drop from head height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, something else came off of there. Looks like the headphone cover is broken now. Looks like it hit right down here on this corner. The slider is really kind of sticky. Let's go ahead and do a drop test from the top open like that. 3, 2, 1. And can't really see where it hit. I know there's some marks down here from where it landed down. They're not doing pretty good. Let's go ahead and do a face down in 3, 2, 1. Looks like it broke a chunk right out of this piece right here. Let's go and do another drop test with it open like this. In 3, 2, 1. That might have cracked it. No, not really. Got some damage down here on this little chin piece. Whole bunch of nicks around the side. Nothing too bad. Let's go and do the throw test. In 3, 2, 1. I don't have the battery or the back cover, so I didn't even put them in. Doing pretty good. I wish it would crack, but I'm gonna try to do a throw where it lands on the screen. That really wasn't a very good one, but well, you can see where it hit though. Didn't crack it, but definitely some marks in it. This is a glass piece, so I was gonna try it again. In 3, 2, 1. There, it cracked. A little, but it's cracked. Let's go and do one more throw, and then this will be the drop test of the Z6M. Something fell off of it too, I noticed. Oh, it broke the complete top piece off. Something shaking in it. Did pretty good though. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.